Hi, my name is Giovanni Villalobos, and today I am going to talk about my personal bucket list. These are some goals I want to achieve in my life because they will get my growth as a person. First, I want to travel to another country, especially Mexico. If I travel there, I will learn about new cultures and try different food. Many photos will be taken during my trip. Also, my friends told me that traveling is an amazing experience. Second, I want to buy a motorcycle. If I buy it, I will travel to many beautiful places in my country. A lot of money will be saved for this goal. My brother told my dad having a motorcycle is exciting and goes in freedom. Another goal is to learn English fluently. If I practice every day, I will improve my speaking skill. English will be used in my future job. My teacher told me that practicing every day is the two keys. Finally, I want to help my family financially. If I get a good job, I will support them and improve our quality of life. More opportunities will be created for my family. My parents told my dad working hard is very important. In conclusion, these goals are very important to me, and I will do my best to achieve them. Thank you.